Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This lesson is actually the second part of lesson 4. There are two sections of lesson 4. So in this part we learn two more prepositions, min meaning from and ila meaning to. We also learn two more pronouns, ana, I, and anta, you. Ana is used, I is for both masculine and feminine, anta is for you, singular, masculine. I am Muhammad, Ana Muhammadun, I am Amina, Ana Aminatu. But anta, you, is for masculine singular. You will learn the feminine and plural forms later on. We also learn here two verbs, ذهب, he went, and خرج, he went out. Note the following. Where is Bilal? أين بلال? ذهب إلى المسجد. He went to the masjid. ذهب بلال إلى المسجد. Bilal went to the masjid. So ذهب means he went, but if it is followed by a noun as the subject, the pronoun he is dropped. So you do not say ذهب هو بلال إلى المسجد, but ذهب بلال إلى المسجد. Min means from. If it is followed by al, it becomes mina, mina. So the reason for that is, say for example, min and al are together, so you cannot have two sukoons at the same time. So you have to put a fatha on the noon to basically make them fit with each other. Ila means to. Al-Philippine, the Philippines. Al-Yaban, Japan. Al-Madrasatu, school. Al-Sin, China. Al-Suq, market. Al-Hind, India. Al-Jami'atu, university. Al-Mudiru, headmaster or principal.